How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main. Today I'm here with Stanley. Stanley, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty well.
Stanley's always doing really well. So
I woke up this morning, so you know, can't complain.
That's right. So here we are. We're in Queens today. Stanley, so this job is actually pretty interesting. Our customer had called us. They had an insurance policy that protected them, covered them for their sewer. They have a breakage or a blockage, right?
Yeah, on the property.
On the property, right? The sewer trap is actually in the back of the house, which to code, that's not really to code. They're grandfathered in, but technically their sewer is supposed to be in the front of the house.
Yes.
So the insurance policy said, hey, listen, we want to cover you, but you would have to have your trap in front of the house, which that would take completely redesigning their whole house to bring the trap to the front.
Yes.
So they actually agreed to allow her to put a clean out up front, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we got going on right now?
Right now we excavating from the back of the house where the existing trap is.
Uh-huh.
We're going to run all new pipe up to the front of the house. Then we're going to install a clean out at the front of the house right here.
Okay.
And then after that we're going to bring the pipe up to the property line and reconnect to the existing sewer.
So are you breaking the old pipe?
Yeah.
So they're trying to find the existing water line before start digging with the machine.
Okay.
So we don't want to have any accident here.
Yeah, we don't want to turn this into something it doesn't have to be.
So they take a few minutes, locate the water, see if I have the space to dig with the machine, and then I get in here and do my thing.
Now, a job like this, 60 feet, we're gonna finish this today?
Yeah.
One day, right?
One day, yeah.
So guys, keep up the good work. Looks like we have a lot more work to do.
Yes.
We'll let you guys get to it. And thanks again.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Have a good one, guys.
All right.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you. Take care.
We already installed the new sewer pipe from the back of the house up to the building line. Now we're excavating from the building line up to the property line. Later on we're going to install the rest of the sewer and connect to the sewer that's going out into the street. So in a few minutes, we'll be doing that. You already installed the sewer, plus there's a clean out. The clean out is there in case they want to snake it out. They don't have to snake it from the back of the house. They have access right here at the property line. We replace all the old pipe, which was clay pipe, and replace it with extra heavy cast iron. So she should have no more problem after that. The clay pipe is like the original pipe when the house was built, so it's very brittle. After years upon years of use, the joint started separating and it eventually collapsed. So that's what they had here. Now it's all cast iron pipe, so everything is good to go. Thanks for watching another Harris video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay blessed.
That's the jam. That's the jam. That's the jam.